Hiya, welcome to the Lost 13mm channel. This channel's normally about my car builds and cars I own, like TVR and things like that. This particular one is I own a Ford Transit camper van, and when I changed the battery, the radio stopped working because I needed a PIN number. So after a bit of research, I found where you can get the PIN number free. So the Ford 6000 CD, which this video is about, I believe is fitted to a whole bunch of different Fords. It's in my Transit camper van, but I believe it's also in Mondeos, Fiestas, Focuses. I think from what I can make out, they put it pretty well across the range of Fords. So what I would do is I'll walk you through firstly how to find the serial number, which is what you need. You can then, with that serial number, you can then go online to the website I will show you, and you can then get your PIN number free from that website. You then go back out to your car or your van or whatever it happens to be, and then put the PIN number in. Bob's your uncle. Your radio and CD is going to be working again. Okay, so if you need all that, please follow this along. And if you're interested in any other petrol head stuff, it'd be great if you had a look at the other videos, and if you like the look of it, you could subscribe to the channel. So I fetched a pen, but a piece of paper didn't leap in front of me, so my hand would do. Found lots and lots of websites that offer to do it free, and then when you go on there, they do it free, but you have to wait 24 hours or 48 hours, or you can get it instantly for, it seems to be anything from about £2 or £3 up to, one of them I saw said a tenner. So moving my way all the way down to about the 4th page on Google, no, that's an exaggeration, about the 3rd page on Google, I found a website that says it's free. So I just showed you. So this website here said it's free, and it's one of those really sort of basic websites. But I put the code in, I've pressed the calculate button, sorry, I put the serial number in, press the calculate button, and it's given me that code. Back in the camper, there's the code I got off that website. Let's see what happens. So it's
Hey! EU, a man who knows a thing or two
that
about
much
that
chance,
is
but
Sir Simon Fraser, former permanent Under-Secretary at the Foreign Office.
That's
He
worked.
joins us now. Good afternoon, Sir Simon.
So I just give it another test. I've turned the engine off. I'll turn the ignition
an
off, put it
important
back
neighbour
on.
and a close
The
ally
radio's
of
there.
the UK. And frankly, we're two countries which are in many ways
Yeah,
very
like
similar
that.
and have very similar views on the.
That is a very, very...
There we go. That's enough of that.
Events.
So this is a little follow-up a few days later. So these are the sites that did send me the code, the same code, a few days later. So they might be worth using, possibly if you're maybe watching this video and the site that was free and did it straight away may have gone for any reason. Those two are both worth looking at. Thanks for getting to the end of the video. If you're not already subscribed, please do so now. Just hit the subscribe button and then hit the bell button, and that way YouTube will tell you when there's any new videos.